Yeah, hi, this is a brief tutorial about how to use the plugin which is called Alchemy, and I'm assuming you know how to install a plugin. All you need to do is go to plugins and then just add new and then put in your password, your email address to activate it. It's very simple. And let me show you the end result, and then I'll show you how to set it all up. So if I go to posts, I go to all posts, and I go to this post here. I'm going to show you how to set this up. I'm just going to view it, and you see I've set up a video that I quite like. It's about Amazon, it's about making money online, and I'm going to play this guy.
Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to discuss how to find products.
Right, so he's stopped. Now in order for me to continue, I need to either, I'd probably put something a bit better in there, like I want to continue watching the video or something like that, or no thanks. You can do no thanks, but when you opt in, I'm gonna opt in here to continue watching the video. Okay, you get this little thing here. He's continuing. I've been opted in, and you can see down at the bottom here there's a little push notification, and when I click on that, that's going to take me to any link that I want, like an affiliate link, for example, or anything that I want.
This program called Jungle Scout, and I'm just going to tell you what Jungle Scout is. You can buy the web app, or you can.
There you go, really simple. And the way to set all of this up. So now I am in a database of push notifications, so I can be sent these messages like what you've just seen there, the little pop-up that can go on the mobile, that can go on the desktop. It's really powerful because you bypass all the spam folders and everything, which is a really big problem at the moment. So the way to set it up is really simple. It's also very intuitive. Let me just move that to here. So you can see basically you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, that's 4 things here. Just ignore the YouTube videos for now. So let's go through each of these in turn. So send notifications. So title, message, clickable URL. So that's my blog name. Icon, you can add an icon. Send notifications to all users, registered users, the ones who've signed up to the site, non-registered users who did not sign up to the site but subscribed, but they allow push notifications. Delivery is immediate or scheduled. So that determines what kind of push notifications you're going to have. And then you got push subscribers. So I've got these people here. You know, they just come up on here. So you get the kind of the devices and everything, the time they opt in and such like. And then you have notification stats. And then you have, so, you know, that's just your stats. We're going to be changing the date and the time. What's really important here is the opt-in settings. I think this is possibly what you should be concentrating on the most. So you got what sort of prompt. So I'd go with native prompt, either native or custom. Sorry, custom, which means you can change this thing here. The title, I've taken off the sales page. You've seen the one that popped up there, the whatever the name of the offer was. The message, and again, I'd say, do you want to continue watching the video? I think that's a bit better. An icon, so just the reason it's got the WordPress thing here is because that's just the way WordPress works. You get the different icons from here, and you can see, so you can set all of these up. Colors, choose video from YouTube. So I chose video from YouTube. I just literally put it in there, play a color, show prompt after time in seconds. So you can, you know, I've set it up for 5 seconds, and let's see what else is here. Okay, and then you have, what happens then is you get generated a shortcode. So what you do with that is you just copy that. You need to save your settings, and then what you do is you go to the post, So let's say you go to the new post, add new post, and just put it, just literally copy it, and just call this Dan's test, publish, and then view post, and there you go. So again, same video, just super easy to set up. Now, because I'm already subscribed, the pop-up might not come up now, but anyway, it's extremely easy to set up. So hopefully that all makes sense. Looking forward to hearing of your success stories. Speak to you very soon. All the best. Bye-bye.